Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews, performance insights, and the latest in two-wheeled innovation. Today, we're taking a close look at a machine that blends everyday practicality with sportbike aesthetics, the Suzuki Gixxer SF 250. This bike has made a name for itself in the quarter-liter segment with its sleek design, impressive refinement, and balanced performance. Whether you're a beginner stepping into the sportbike world or a seasoned rider looking for a stylish and capable commuter, the Gixxer SF 250 might just be the perfect middle ground. Design, sharp, aerodynamic, and premium. The Gixxer SF 250 stands out with its fully faired, race-inspired design. Unlike naked or semi-faired models, this bike comes with aggressively styled bodywork, complete with sharp lines, integrated LED headlamps, and a sculpted fuel tank that gives it a muscular and dynamic presence. The aerodynamic fairing isn't just for looks. It improves airflow at high speeds, giving the bike better wind protection and a sporty edge. Available in several color options like metallic Triton Blue, metallic matte black, and new race-inspired liveries, the SF250 makes a strong visual statement. The overall fit and finish are premium, with Suzuki's attention to detail evident in every curve and contour. From the split seat setup to the sleek rear tail section, this bike was designed to impress both on the street and on the track. Engine and performance, the heart of the Gixxer. At the core of the Gixxer SF 250 is a 249 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, oil-cooled SOHC engine, which delivers around 26.5 horsepower at 9,300 RPM and 22.2 Newton-meters of torque at 7,300 RPM. What makes this engine special is its Suzuki Oil Cooling System, SOCS, a compact and efficient cooling technology that offers the performance of a liquid-cooled bike while keeping the engine design lighter and simpler. The result is a smooth, linear power delivery, excellent throttle response, and a refined feel whether you're riding in the city or cruising on the highway. The 6-speed gearbox is slick and precise, making gear changes feel effortless. While it's not designed to be a track monster, the Gixxer SF 250 offers more than enough punch for spirited weekend rides and confident overtaking. Ride quality and handling, balance for real roads. One of the key strengths of the Gixxer SF 250 is its well-balanced chassis and predictable handling. Built on a lightweight frame, the bike feels stable at high speeds and nimble in city traffic. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and a monoshock at the rear, both tuned to absorb bumps comfortably without compromising cornering stability. Whether you're slicing through twisty back roads or filtering through urban traffic, the bike feels composed, planted, and easy to control. The wide clip-on handlebars give it a sporty stance while maintaining comfort, and the riding posture strikes a good balance between aggression and ergonomics. For newer riders, it's confidence-inspiring. For experienced ones, it's engaging without being exhausting. Braking and safety, confident and controlled. Braking duties are handled by disc brakes at both ends, supported by dual-channel ABS. The system performs well, offering strong bite and consistent feedback, especially during emergency stops or wet conditions. The ABS kicks in smoothly without being overly intrusive, giving riders added peace of mind. The tires, 110 mm at the front and 150 mm at the rear, offer good grip and enhanced stability during hard braking or quick direction changes. While it's not equipped with advanced rider aids like traction control or ride modes, the SF 250 makes up for it with mechanical reliability and predictable road behavior. Features and technology, simple yet functional. The Gixxer SF 250 doesn't overload you with electronics, but it does come with everything you need. It features a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, displaying speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, and more. The display is easy to read in daylight and adds a modern touch to the cockpit. LED headlamps and tail lights are standard, offering improved visibility and a premium aesthetic. There's also a kill switch, hazard lights, and an engine start/stop button for convenience. While it might not compete with higher-end sport bikes in tech, the SF 250 focuses on reliability and rider connection, which is exactly what many riders in this segment want. Fuel efficiency and practicality, everyday friendly. The Gixxer SF 250 is not just about performance, it's also impressively efficient. Riders can expect a fuel economy of around 35 to 38 km/L, depending on riding habits and conditions. With a 12-liter fuel tank, the bike can comfortably cover over 400 kilometers on a full tank, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting, weekend getaways, or even light touring. The seat is moderately padded, and while the pillion seat is more compact, it's still usable for short rides. Combined with low maintenance costs, solid build quality, and Suzuki's service network, the SF250 offers excellent value for money and long-term dependability. Who is this bike for? A perfect all-rounder. The Suzuki Gixxer SF250 sits in a sweet spot. It's sporty enough to thrill, refined enough to commute, and comfortable enough for long rides. If you're a beginner rider stepping up from a 150 cubic centimeters, this bike offers manageable power and confidence-inspiring handling. If you're an experienced rider looking for a practical sport bike that doesn't break the bank, the SF250 ticks all the right boxes. It's not trying to be the fastest in its class, but it delivers where it matters. In real-world rideability, looks, refinement, and versatility. It's a motorcycle that understands its purpose and executes it with precision. Final thoughts: a stylish performer with real-world strength. In a world full of flashy, tech-heavy machines, the Suzuki Gixxer SF250 stands out by doing the basics really well. It's stylish, smooth, and dependable, a true all-rounder that doesn't compromise on fun or function. Whether you're commuting to work, carving weekend corners, or just enjoying the open road, the SF250 is ready to go the distance with you. Outro: subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the Suzuki Gixxer SF250, right here on MVP Auto Pro. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews, comparisons, and two-wheeled adventures. We've got a lot more content coming your way, so stay tuned and ride safe. Only on MVP Auto Pro.